Right now, we're seeing a plus 0.05 sentiment score in politics, but what stands out is the complete lack of momentum over the past 24 hours. This suggests a pause in public opinion shifts, despite 19 semantic clusters indicating diverse discussions. You might find this unusual, as typically, you'd expect spikes in sentiment to be accompanied by some momentum. Our Sentiment API provides you with this nuanced understanding, returning sentiment scores, momentum, and thematic clusters all in one go. Consider using this data to track how specific events, like debates or legislative changes, impact public sentiment in real time. This insight can help you adjust your strategies or communications effectively. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.